Sorry, it's so shaky. I didn't bring a gimbal. So I've been working on this rental house I've got. Just bought it a little while ago. Getting rid of all this smoke. See up there in the ducting, there's nasty tar and cigarette smoke flavor that never goes away. But in the process, I need to paint all the doors. And here's the doors. I'm gonna do what I think is the easiest way to paint doors in bulk. The real estate company I bought the house from came through and they primered the whole house to try and cover up the smoke, and it didn't work because you have to do more than that. There's another video, you should check it out, on how to get rid of this smoke scent if you have that issue. Here's a quick little peek. This is the kitchen chandelier where it was. You can see how the smoke permeates underneath fixtures and stuff. So you got to kind of swap all that out, or at least remove it. I'm swapping it all. It's gross. But when they came in and they painted with this primer, I believe it's just Kills. They didn't remove hinges and stuff. So the hinges are all painted. But here's how I'm going to paint the doors in bulk. I'll show you real quick, but first, here's the paint I got. It's made specifically to get rid of smoke scent. Let me flip the camera around. All right, so this is the stuff I've got. I'll put a link below for it. It goes on white, it sprays on white, or rolls on, however you're gonna do it. It's Zinsser odor killing primer. It's for tobacco, smoke, pets, urine, stuff like that. You can paint it on your floor, whatever you need. It's low odor. This is the best stuff I could find on the internet. So we're gonna give it a shot, 15 gallons worth. Got the airless sprayer. We've been absolutely tearing the house apart, but here's how I'm going to paint the doors. When you paint doors, typically, you could see the builder, when they first built the home, they would just kind of lean them against the wall. But when you go in with the sprayer, it's difficult to get that back edge or the end of the door, so you have to flip them. That's what they did previously. Here's what I'm doing. So I pulled out all the baseboard, and I'm using that baseboard just to hold the tops. And this way, I can get every angle, every edge, except for the top and bottom, and that's really easy to roll when I'm done. So I'm gonna spray all the doors with that odor killing primer, and then I'm gonna paint them with the gloss white that I want. Looking at this, might be easier to see here. Before I paint, right now I'm just setting these all up. Before you paint though, I've just been setting these with little finish nails. Super easy. I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna give them a little tap to get a gap right here. That way the paint doesn't stick, and when you take these off, it'll rip and leave a paint mark. Kind of like this on the wall, right? So we're gonna give it a little gap so we don't have that kind of issue. But this way I can walk around these doors and get every edge. Super easy, super simple, and fast. That's what I'm all about, is getting it done fast. Here's one of the bedrooms. You can see they did the closet doors like that. I'm gonna take the closet doors off and kind of do the same thing. But if they're painting like this, you're not getting a good angle on those ends right there and there. Anyways, that's what I did today. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Check out the links below. And above, I'm gonna put in a few different, whatever. Maybe I'll build a playlist on house remodel or something like that, how to get rid of smoke and stuff. Anyways, I gotta finish this up. See ya.